Unlocking 1,000 a day with AI. What if I told you that you could make $1,000 in just one day using AI, and you don't need any special skills or money to start? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. From writing content to creating designs and even running entire businesses, free AI tools are helping people make serious money every single day, and today I'm spilling all the secrets. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. Use Google Trends to identify what's trending right now. For example, topics like AI tools, productivity hacks, and finance are exploding. You're not just jumping on a trend, you're creating content that people are already searching for. Next, content creation. I use tools like ChatGPT to write engaging blog posts and captions, and Canva's AI features to create eye-catching designs. Here's the best part. I uploaded these to platforms like Etsy and Fiverr, where people are willing to pay top dollar for them. Finally, automation. Tools like Zapier and Google Sheets allowed me to save hours by automating repetitive tasks. With everything running smoothly, I focused on promoting my services on social media, which brought in even more clients and cash. The result? Over $1,000 in just one day, all thanks to free AI tools. If you're ready to take control of your income, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment, "I'm in." Let's make this your breakthrough moment. This is just the beginning. AI is a game changer, and I'm here to help you unlock its full potential. See you in the next video.